Welcome back, guys. I'm Gary.
I'm Gary Sr.
And we're with Automatic Door and Hardware. We're a manufacturer of commercial doors, automatic doors, and the parts and hardware that go with those doors. If you like learning about doors and hardware, then you've come to the right place. Each day we try to produce 2 or 3 videos related to this. So if this interests you guys, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, so our video today is a question we actually get a lot, and it's essentially, why don't Ranger storefront doors come with glass? And Gary Sr. here is going to explain actually why they don't come with glass.
Yeah, there actually are several factors. One of the main factors is the cost of the door. If you were to have it assembled with glass in it and ship it, is gonna, because our doors are sold broken down. They come in a small box and they're easily assembled. We've assembled these doors in as fast of a time as 15 to 20 minutes at the very most. Most people that put their first one together may take 45 minutes, but they're done in a half hour per door. They're very easy to assemble. But the main reason is if it were packaged up and it would have to go by a freight truck, that the way the freight is handled, oftentimes that door package would show up with the glass shattered. We have in the past sold them with glass, but I would say probably out of every 5 doors, 3 of them are going to arrive with the glass broken.
I would say 4.
Yeah,
it was
pretty high. And even if they were sheeted in plywood and had foam around them, they still would stack stuff on them and break through the plywood. We had forks going through the plywood and smashing the glass, and then of course the trucking company doesn't know who did what. But it becomes a lot of problem when it arrives with the glass shattered. That glass could scratch the finish of the anodizing on the aluminum, and then you have to file a claim with the trucking company, and it just becomes a big headache, and where could actually end up costing the consumer more time to wait for a new piece of glass. That's why we've decided not to have them with glass. It is a very simple procedure to get glass in them. Simply put your door together, and we recommend installation of that door. Although the door doesn't have to be installed yet. Once it's assembled, it could just be sitting against a wall or something in a safe place, and you could call out a local glass company. We recommend unless you have a favorite one to use, to possibly even get 2 or 3 bids from different glass companies for the price of the glass in that door. And in most cases, they'll come out, measure that glass size so it's the exact size, and then bring the correct glass back and put it in the door and install it for you. Or they could even drop off the glass and you could install it. We recommend having the glass company install it, since they're highly skilled and can glaze a door probably in 10 minutes and have that glass in there. It's a pretty simple thing, but we do have glass sizes available for our doors, but we don't recommend giving those sizes out, because sometimes in the field things can change. We recommend always measuring for that glass before, after the door has been assembled, is the best solution. But that is pretty much the reason why we don't sell the door with glass.
Yeah, and guys, it's really It's actually a lot better this way as well, because like he had mentioned, the freight cost alone, you're saving huge, because with our unit, it ships knockdown, so we're able to pass the essentially the savings on to you. I mean, anytime you have to go freight truck, freight trucks, they're at least anywhere from $400 to $500 easy. But with us, we're able to ship knockdown, so we're passing the shipping savings onto you guys, and that's a substantial amount of savings. And a lot of people don't realize really how inexpensive glass is. You'd be amazed when you get these quotes from local companies for the glass itself, how much it is and how much they actually even charge for installation. I mean, it's definitely, if you're a building owner, you're definitely saving by purchasing the door from us and then just outsourcing the glass. I mean, we work with gas, chains of gas stations and all sorts of different convenience stores, and they come to us because we're reliable and they can save. So just because it doesn't include the glass, don't freak out. It's nothing to really worry about. It's actually quite standard and easy. And remember too, if you do go with a company that claims to install, offer you the one-stop shop with glass, remember, you're just going to be paying extremely high fees for the freight for that door system. And again, 9 times out of 10, the door is going to come with the glass shattered in it. And what they don't tell you is that before they can get another door out to you, they need to file a claim with the freight company, and that needs to be processed by the freight company and proved. They need to get refunded before they can, front the cost of a new door to you. So that's another factor that they're not telling you. So you're better off doing it the right way and just going with the Ranger and outsourcing the glass. So I hope this puts a lot of your tensions at ease, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at sales@autodoorandhardware.com or leave a comment below. We're always happy to help. All of our Ranger storefront doors can be purchased at autodoorandhardware.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.